Cloudways versus SiteGround hosting provider comparison. Choosing the right hosting can transform your website's performance and reliability without the hassle of complex setups. Both Cloudways and SiteGround offer unique advantages for different needs. Cloudways and SiteGround are popular web hosting providers, but they differ fundamentally. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform focusing on flexibility and scalability, while SiteGround offers traditional shared hosting with strong customer support and user-friendly features. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that simplifies deploying websites on top cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and DigitalOcean. It provides a control panel to manage servers, applications, and backups without deep technical knowledge. Cloudways works by abstracting the underlying cloud infrastructure, allowing users to scale resources on demand. Its strengths include high performance, server-level caching, and a pay-as-you-go pricing model. It supports popular SEMS platforms and offers features like free SSL, automated backups, and staging environments. However, Cloudways does not provide domain registration or email hosting, which might require third-party services. The platform is ideal for developers, agencies, and growing businesses seeking custom cloud solutions with flexibility and control without managing servers directly. SiteGround is a traditional web hosting provider known for its shared hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated servers. It offers a user-friendly interface with managed WordPress hosting, free daily backups, and integrated CDN services. SiteGround's infrastructure is optimized for speed and security, featuring SSD storage and custom caching solutions. It also includes domain registration, email hosting, and a robust customer support team available 24/7. SiteGround works well for beginners and small to medium-sized businesses looking for affordable, reliable hosting with easy setup and excellent support. Limitations include less flexibility in server customization compared to cloud platforms and fixed pricing tiers. Overall, SiteGround suits users who prefer an all-in-one hosting solution with strong support and less technical management. Cloudways excels in flexibility and scalability, making it a top choice for projects needing custom cloud infrastructure and performance tuning. Its pay-as-you-go model benefits businesses with fluctuating traffic or growth plans. However, it requires some technical comfort since domain and email services are separate. SiteGround offers a more integrated experience with domain registration, email hosting, and managed WordPress features included. Its strong customer support and straightforward setup appeal to beginners and small businesses prioritizing ease of use and reliability. The trade-off is less control over server settings and fixed pricing plans. For example, a developer launching multiple client sites might prefer Cloudways for customization, while a small business owner wanting hassle-free hosting might choose SiteGround for its simplicity and support. Choose Cloudways if you need scalable cloud hosting with performance focus and are comfortable managing separate domain and email services for maximum flexibility. SiteGround is the better choice for those seeking an all-in-one hosting solution with excellent support and easy setup. It's ideal for beginners and small businesses wanting reliable managed hosting without extra technical overhead. Pick what fits your needs best.